Hi everybody, thank you very much for clicking on this video. My name is Lori and we're doing some unboxings. Now I just finished the Chic Beauty, which is a bi-monthly, and the American Influencer, which is bi-monthly. So they were these September, October boxes. And you can just head on out, not right now, don't leave yet. You can head on out and go check out those videos as well. So now we're gonna get going and open up this Glow Addict. This is the Glow Addict for October 2020. Big box because there's a big product in there. All right, we do not get any cards with Glow Addict. We only, or so far with me, this is going on about 7 or 8 months that I've been with them, and I've received a card one time. Once. That's it. So I can tell you what the product is, but I can't tell you a price. So here we go. This is the Enchanted Glam by Kayla. It's the Dreamy Complexion Kit. So there are 3 brushes in this, and it's the real pretty, look at the real pretty, they like mermaids. Look at real pretty brushes. They are gorgeous, aren't they? And they're rainbow. Did you notice that? The bristles, they're rainbow. Yeah, pretty. So one is a powder brush, one is an angled blush brush, and the other is a foundation brush. I can tell you right now, these brushes will never touch my face. There is no way that these brushes can do powder, blush, and foundation. But never say never until you touch them and see if they have the potential. This would be your face brush, and you know what? It actually does. Ooh, I like the handle. I like that handle. It's got some weight to it. Look at this. It's got it's weighted right here. Nice and light. And when you go like this, look at this. That's from the weight. But it's nice. It does. It may. So see, I need to eat my words. It's shedding right now just a little bit, but I always say a really good shampoo, and a lot of times these brushes kind of bounce back to their shape that they naturally should be because they're packing and they're crunched all up in this thing. And then when you let them out, give them a good shake, give them a nice good shower, give them shampoo. This, like I said, might have to eat my words on that one. Check this one out. Now, this is so flimsy. There is like no brush to it. This thing is just weak. I don't know what you would do with this except for decorate your dresser with it. And of course you have this one, which is your foundation brush. Oh, this one is, it's stiff, very stiff. You got a lot of these hairs, fibers coming off. So we got some brushes that we really aren't sure about. One of them seems like it has the potential to work. The other may decorate my dresser. All right, this one's by Illuminati. It's a gel paint electric pink and a gel paint electric blue. These are eyeliners. Okay, can't see them because they're black and they're in this pouch. Put that upside down. Ooh, I did. There's the pink. And here is the electric blue. Even though these pens are really smooth and they do go on like gel, they feel really nice. The colors are vibrant, they're gorgeous. When it comes to sharpening these pencils, you have to cut through this thing. And somebody told me a trick, and I can't for the life of me remember what type of pencil sharpener to use that just goes right through this casing and makes it nice, you know, makes it nice and sharp again. So there's those two. And then there's the Illuminati quad palette. It's all your little brown, banana cream, chocolate. Here's the Illuminati quad. See, like the banana, like a caramel, chocolate, and then you have, looks like 2 shimmers and 2 mattes. These 2 right here are the matte, and then you have these 2 shimmers. So just your typical everyday, I call them 70s you know, the 1970s, 1980s, just boring browns. And then this is cute. This is cuter than heck. This is a beauty sponge and it has a ghost on it. The logo of a ghost is on this. Now, they would put a sponge, one of the sponges, just in the box. And people complained about it because we didn't feel that it was sanitary, especially in the middle of this pandemic. So now they're putting them in this little plastic baggie. But you got to see this. Take a look at the little, can you see the, oh, there we go. Look at the ghosts. Are those not cute or what? Look at them. It's like Casper. But it's a really fluffy, you know, kind of like the Juno and Co. Oops, which I have a whole bunch of those. When I was first getting into beauty boxes, I bought their big bundle and fell in love with their beauty sponges. But this one's kind of in the middle. It's not squishy, but it's definitely not hard. It's not dense when it's wet. With these little ghost critters on here. I just got to give them a name. Okay, and then for the love of Pete, Joseph, and Frank, we got these stackables of 5. Bright pink, hot pink, tango, I call it tango tangerine orange. We got lemon lime, green, and vibrant blue. I don't know if that's the name of these colors. It's probably not, but this is by a company called Mermaid Scale. And they're just 5 very chalky powders. I don't have experience with these types of products. I just don't. I see girls use them and they put the little drops on a little tile and they'll mix them up and they use them as a liner. I'm not experienced in these, so these will definitely be going in a future giveaway. So that's everything we got for Glow Addict for October of 2020. We got these Mermaid Scale powdered colors. We got the 2 little ghosts in their sponge. The little quad palette by Illuminati. Also the Illuminati are the 2 gel paint in electric pink and electric blue. The 2 eyeliner pens looking like this. And of course we received by Enchanted Glam, the company Kayla, these 3 mermaid brushes. This is the only one I can see functioning like a brush should function. If that makes any sense. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. Okay. That's the end of all of my unboxings for right now. These are October 2020 boxes, and you know what? Until the next one comes in, I still have several boxes that are yet to arrive. And I'll see you guys in the next video because we're just going to continue to wait for the Postal Service, FedEx, UPS, or whoever. Oh, that's right. I do have several coming from DHL. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye. See you later.